This is my old iPad 2, and you can see I'm on the storage side, showing you right now out of 12.7 gigabytes, it's all been used, and there's 0 available. I've literally been emptying out the apps on this every single day, and it's been just filling it up for some reason. And I only use 3 apps. I only use Netflix, YouTube Kids, and sometimes maybe PBS video. But I've cleared out 3 gigabytes of space and it just gets filled up. So it's kind of lame. I'm at that point where I'm thinking I should just factory reset the iPad and then reinstall the apps. So I guess one of these 3 apps is taking up all my storage on the iPad, even though, again, I offloaded 3 gigabytes of storage of used space. I deleted a bunch of apps. So there's literally nothing on this iPad, but it keeps on filling up. So once it fills up, it just slows down the iPad. So if anyone's run across this problem where it just fills up your storage randomly, let me know. I'm really hesitant to do a factory reset, but so far the kids can go into YouTube Kids. And it's working now. As long as it's working, I'm fine. So that's my short story about my iPad 2 eating up storage for some reason. And it's a sad thing about these old iPads.